Hello guys, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, I'm sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgot pin pattern and password lock. And if my previous video didn't help you to unlock your smartphone, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I have been bringing in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end, don't skip any steps, okay? Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be charged less than 30%, or otherwise whatever data you have in your phone can be deleted. As you see my friend, my phone's battery is less than 30%, so I have plugged my charger to my smartphone to using this unlocking method, okay? So before starting this method, you should fully charge your phone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this video, then you can also take help of my upcoming videos or older videos. For this you must subscribe to the channel, okay? And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end only. Then you will be able to unlock your phone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, you will have to switch off your all type of network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be closed, okay? So for this, generally you will have to slide your phone downside and you will get a lots of keys at the top of the phone. You can see here you will also get a key of a airplane mode or flight mode. So simply you will have to activate this flight mode or airplane mode. After activating this flight mode or airplane mode, your all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network will be closed, and now your phone is ready to go with the unlocking method. But before go to the unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your phone. So simply you will have to close all the background running application when your phone was not locked. So generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So there are some secret codes which generated by the all brand of smartphones like Samsung, Xiaomi, Realme. All brands generate some secret code to close the background running application when your phone is locked. So today's recent secret code what I'm going to give you recent secret code, but these type of secret codes updates within 2 or 3 days, okay? So the secret code what I'm going to give you, you will have to feed this secret code in dialing pad. So how will you activate your dialing pad? So simply you can see here there is an option of an emergency call option or emergency SOS option. So simply you will have to click on this emergency SOS option, and when you will click on this emergency SOS option, you will have to open your dialing pad like this. Now you will have to feed a USSD code, or it's also known as security code, to close all the background running application. And recent security close to close the background running application is *555, then *88, then *0786, then hash. This is the recent secret code to close the background running application. Now after feeding this secret code, you will have to call on this secret code. At the first time when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to do the process same 3 times continuously, okay? Now after doing this process 3 times, your all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the unlocking method. So how will you go to the unlocking method? So after this you will have to clear this secret code. Now a special USSD code which is used to reach to the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode, and this USSD code is *#E99 then hash. After feeding this secret code or USSD code, you can see here I have reached to a new page, and this page's name is engineer's mode or master unlocking mode. Now you will also get a lots of option on this page, you can see here. But at the 5th number you can see here there is an option of a software versions, okay? So simply you will have to go with this software version, and when you will click on this software version, you will reach to a new page, okay? And you can see here the first option is showing my phone's model number, so you don't have to go with this option, okay? At the second number you can see here there is an option of an Android version. The third option is showing here your baseboard version, okay. But on this page you will have to go with the option of an Android version. It may be possible your Android version would be 12 or 11, and if your phone Android version is showing here 12, it means you will have to call on this, you will have to click on this Android version 12 time. But here my Android version is 13, it means I will have to click on this option 13 time and rapidly, okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13, okay. Now the first step has been done. After doing this step you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button you will reach to the previous page, and you will also get another option of a manual test option. Now you will have to go with this manual test option, and when you will click on this manual test option you will reach to a new page, and this page's name is assembly test project. Now you will also get a 3 type of option on this page, you can see here, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. After this you will have to simply slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other. Now at the end of the slide you can see here the other option has been appeared, and there are also a 5 type of option. The first option is screen backlight test, the second option is read write important lock test, and like this you can see here at the 4th number the option is showing here main word version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here database version, so don't worry at all. Both the option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. After this you will have to click on this main word version or database version 10 times rapidly. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now the second step has been done, my friend. Now you can see here the second option. The second option is showing here read write important lock test, okay. Now you will have to go with this option, and you will have to click on this option, and at the first time when you will click on this option you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this. You will have to cancel this option at the first time. Again at the second time you will have to do the same, cancel it, and again at the third time you will have to cancel here. But at the 4th time when you will click on this option you will have to confirm this with the OK button, and when you will click on this OK button it means your all the forgotten pin pattern and password has been removed. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. But before going to the new pin pattern and password lock, the very last step you will have to take care of it, what I'm going to give you and what you have to do I will tell you. But before going to the last step, one more thing I would also like to tell you. If you have skipped any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock and you will have to watch this video again, okay. So watch the video properly and follow the every step carefully, okay. So after this you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the page of a device debugging page, okay. Now you can see here device debugging page has been appeared on my phone's display, okay. Now you can see here there are also lots of options on this page, okay, just like fingerprint test, keypad test. This type of option will showing here lots of options from top to bottom, you can see here. But a single option is main option, you will have to go with this option, and the option is here sensor self test and calibration option, okay. Now you will have to click on this sensor self test and calibration option, and when you will click on this sensor self test and calibration option you will reach to a new page, and you will also get a 3 type of option. It may be possible you will get there 2 option, 1 option, and if you're getting there 2 option then don't worry at all. If you're getting there 2 option you will have to click on all 2 options, and all the options are showing here operation not started, you can see here. So simply you will have to start this operation by clicking on these options, okay. So I'm going to click on this option. You can see here test has been started, test has been started, test has been started, and you will have to click on these options until you get a single test pass message. But my good luck, I have clicked here in 3 options and I get 2 test pass message, okay. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my phone. I will have to check. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So how will I check? So now you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone, you can see here. So I will click on this option to check my phone has been unlocked or not. So you can also see here. Now you can see here my phone has been unlocked, and all the application which were in my phone when my phone was logged as it is as in my phone. It means there is no any data loss of my phone, okay. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. And if your phone could not unlock this your phone, it means you will have to watch the next upcoming video. For this you will have to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.